I'm Kyriaki Daskaloudi. I work for Future Needs and I'm the Dissemination Communication Manager for RefMap. For me, it's very important that through the work that I do as a Dissemination Communication Manager, that the citizens of Europe know that there is a research project about sustainable aviation in Europe and that the EU is working towards a better environment in general. You can follow us on LinkedIn and X. We have a dedicated website for the project and also for more videos on YouTube that are coming up. We are looking to collaborate with any projects or organizations that are interested in the research that we do. So if you want to learn more or work on sustainable aviation, we would love to build a collaboration with you, learn from you, and you can learn from us as well. They can contact us from our website or through our social media.